Hey, Christina here, and I'm back for another Real Quick Review, Skincare Edition. Today we are going to be looking at the Tarte Maracuja oil. Pretty sure I said that correctly. So basically this is a face oil that you would use on your face as a moisturizer. It is, as far as I can tell, it's pretty much pure maracuja oil, so there's nothing else kind of mixed in with it, which is nice. Another thing that I think is really cool, okay, well, let's not oversell it. I don't know if really cool is the right word, but can't even get this top off anymore. Okay, so I actually ended up breaking the cap when I was trying to take it off. I want to just chalk that up to the fact that this has been sitting empty in my closet for a little bit of time. But what I was going to say is the thing that I like is that it has this little like dropper. So if I take this off, it's like a little dropper thing, which is nice because then you can get a specific amount. They recommend that like 2 to 3 drops per application, I guess is the way what we're going with it for. So first off, you might not like this if you are someone who already has pretty oily skin. I think this is good for someone with a drier, normal to dry skin, because you really don't want to be adding more oil to your skin if your skin is already pretty oily. That being said, if you have normal dry skin, I think this is a great product. I like facial oils. If you're someone who does as well, I think this one has a fairly light smell, so it's not an overpowering smell like some oils can have, which is nice. The thing that I don't like is the price. Tarte is pretty expensive, and you can get something just like this, same quality in my opinion, from a lot of other brands. I'll try to link some down below that I, find some, but overall I don't think it's worth it to buy the Tarte version of the maracuja oil. Maracuja oil in general, I definitely would recommend. If you like maracuja oil, if you like oil in general, just give this video a quick thumbs up. Gotta give a little plug there. But all in all, recommendation on the products, the ingredients, yes. Recommendation on the brand, no, because of the price. I mean, what can I say? I'm cheap, I guess. I don't know what to tell you. So I hope this was informative. If you like this, please subscribe for more. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.